Namaste. Today we are back with one important asana of our daily yoga practice. It is said that we should do 6 kind of yoga asanas in our daily practice. One is forward bending, backward bending, twisting, side bending, balancing, and last is inverted posture. So today we are going to see how to do the basic inverted posture Viparita Karni. Viparita Karni has got lot of benefits. It is very good to correct all digestive disorders, reproductive system disorders. It is good to relieve leg pain. Some women have leg pain during the night before going to sleep because of standing throughout the day. So just before going to sleep, if you keep your legs against the wall and rest for some 5 minutes, you'll get immediate relief from leg ache. And also it is very good for varicose vein, because the main problem in varicose vein is that the blood is not able to flow backwards due to weakening of the valves in the blood vessels. So when you in inverted position, your legs are up, the blood automatically, all the fluids automatically start to flow backwards to the upper body. It is helpful to relieve swelling in the legs. And one of the most important benefits that you might like is that it keeps one youthful. Those who practice Viparita Karni regularly will always look youthful, and it also prevent wrinkles. So you will have a youthful looking skin if you practice Viparita Karni daily. Another important benefit of Viparita Karni is that it helps to prevent urinary incontinence. If you do Ashwini Mudra, that is anal contraction and relaxation while practicing Viparita Karni, it helps to prevent urinary incontinence. Some women have this problem after delivery, and some men have usually with aging, that they are not able to control passage of urine. So practice of Ashwini Mudra during Viparita Karni is helpful for urinary incontinence. So let's see how to do Viparita Karni.
Raise your legs, support the waist with the hand and push the hips forward. Rest your body on your elbows. Back is at an angle to the ground. Try to bring the elbows as close to each other as possible. Close your eyes and hold the position. Those who cannot do this can just jerk your body and push the hips forward. Come to sitting position, push your hips forward with force, and by the rocking movement you can lift the legs up. Those who cannot do even this can rest your body against the wall. Bring the buttocks close to the wall. Support the waist with the hand. Push the legs against the wall. Support your waist, and slowly, by pushing the legs against the wall, take one leg forward, push the other leg forward, and hold the position. This can be done by beginners. Those who find even doing this difficult can sit on a cushion. Keep the cushion near to the wall. Sit on the cushion. You can use one or two cushions. Sit on them. Lie down on your back and rest the legs against the wall. This is very good for therapeutic purposes.